Houston, yes, clear. Loud and clear.
The suspicious person, 4423 live, we'll get the mobile station.
On the intercom. C7?
Yes, ma'am, we'll be clear, and 233 will be clear on the N4 E Edward, and so we'll both be at 50.